Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews, and we're back with another Dollar Tree haul, so please stay tuned for all the goodies. Alright y'all, no napkins, no paper towels, but definitely my LA's Totally Awesome Ultra Deluxe liquid dish detergent and fresh apple, as I love it. 30 fluid ounces. That is my go-to in their cleaning section. LA's Totally Awesome laundry detergent. 42 fluid ounces and a fresh scent. In comparison to other brands like Tide's, honestly will be the same exact bottle, but this is much less, because Tide will be like $5-6 for exactly the same amount of fluid ounces, y'all. Still worth $1.25, and has a pretty scent. Hand soap, spa soap, creamy milk, honey moisturizing hand soap, 32 fluid ounces. It's a reusable for in case you're just reusing your own bottles in your bathroom and then want to fill it up. I like this size. I don't like the little small size because they go too quickly. In their beauty section, in their canned goods section, healthy choice, you already know my go-to, with white meat, 13 grams of protein, and it's the lowest in terms of sodium, I will say, in comparison to other brands. For $1.25, you can't beat that. In their cleaning section, I had to pick up another standard essential cotton mop head. They really do come in handy, y'all, and very absorbent. I do recommend this brand, and it is not bad for $1.25. If it gets too dingy, toss it, get yourself another one. Also, in their, I want to say, kitchenware section, I found a non-slip rug underlay. I think Chic on the Cheap reviewed this product and has mentioned that it's just really good for anti-slip. So I'm going to definitely give this a try, and we'll let you know with any form of carpets that I have in my front door or in the kitchen or in the bathroom. I will let you guys know if it is worth $1.25, but I'll give it a try. In their houseware section, also in their beauty section, well, kind of like dental care section, Reach mint wax. I really do like their dental floss, and Reach is a really good brand, so for $1.25 you really can't go wrong with that. Also, I'm going to give this product a try, Plackers. I've seen a lot of people use this, and I guess it's to get those hard Reach teeth or gunk in the back of your teeth. So I'm gonna give this a try. Smile like everyone's watching, high performance, 60 count. So I'm gonna give this a try and let you guys know if it's worth $1.25. But in their dental care section, in their craft section, Crafter Square section, I picked up some adhesive pearl wrap. You already know I love my DIY, so I might keep that in handy for a future project. In their beauty section, eyebrow stencil by Sassy and Chic, 4 pieces. One can't really go without, especially if you're doing like big makeup jobs. This is a good go-to, just in case. You never know. And you can always learn from being more precise, more precision. So I'm going to give this a try, Sassy and Chic. Not too keen on their nails, but definitely other products by Sassy and Chic are worth it. Also, some earplugs I picked up. Comes with a case. Can't really stress how sometimes it's important to have some handy earplugs. 4 pairs by Assured is the collection. And so I'm going to give this a try. And it says with traveling case. So if you are traveling, y'all, it comes with a case. I also love their Ioni lashes, 3D faux mink lashes. I'm going to give these a try. Well, in fact, what am I saying? I have given them a try, but you can't go wrong with having more in stock in your boudoir. So I love these. These are nice and dramatic, wispy dramatic, as you can see, 100% handmade. So I'll keep that in stock, and I'll give these a try, is what I meant. Natural Light Doll. These are a little less dramatic, but I think for my eye shape it'll still be very wispy. But I love their packaging, very regal, era, definitely very Maria Antoinette. I love their packaging, and I think they have one for spring as well, but I just love how the designs are really appealing. So Picked up two in their beauty care section, and in their party section, icing comb set. You can use this to decorate your cakes, frosting, buttercream, whatnot, what have you. I think it'll come in handy for other projects, and it was the only one that I saw. This is by Viola icing comb set, 3 pieces. But again, these come in handy for anything. It doesn't have to be particularly just for baked goods and cakes. So I'm going to give this a try and keep this in stock. And also, because we are on Valentine's Day, y'all, if you see this in my background, Amiri cookies are back. They're decorative cookies, are really cute. Although they look very, I will say, Easter friendly. I love the pink color, and I think it goes perfect with Valentine's Day, y'all. So with that, I leave y'all. And if you like what you see, give us a like, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below which product here really stuck out to you or didn't. And let me know if you like what you see and you like to follow me here on YouTube. Hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted of my